Hey, I have a question for you. Do you love deviled eggs? And if you do, are you a traditionalist when it comes to the filling, or do you like to get a bit adventurous? Either way, let me show you how to make the best hard-boiled eggs. And from there, I'll show you how to turn them into the best deviled eggs you've ever tasted. To make the perfect hard-boiled egg, all we do is place them in a saucepan in a single layer and cover them with cold water. After this comes to a boil, we cover it, take them off the heat, and let them sit for 12 minutes or so. Now we carefully drain them and run cold water over them. I like to even add some ice to really shock them, which makes them way easier to peel. We found the best way to peel them was to tap the fat end of the egg on the counter. After the whole egg has fine cracks, the shell should easily slip off. That's all there is to it. A perfect hard-boiled egg that's ready to eat as is, or to turn into a tasty deviled egg. Here we took our yolks and mixed them with some mayo. But instead of stopping there, we added some ground horseradish, which is very trendy right now, along with some smoky bacon. The recipe for our bacon and horseradish deviled eggs is online now and would be a nice addition to your holiday table. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a devilishly good way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."